Hi there, students. Do the honours. Okay, I particularly heard this used by my grandmother. She would bring in a tray, a tea tray with the tea and the milk and the biscuits and the plates and the cups, and she'd put it on the table. And then she'd probably say to her friend, "Would you do the honours? Would you pour the tea? Would you serve the food?" So to do the honours, this is like acting as host, to perform a task or duty of an official nature, often in a social setting. So to do the honours, particularly to serve the food or to serve the drinks, particularly in with tea, but to perform a social duty. So would you do the honours and draw the winning lottery ticket? To do the honours, to perform a duty, a social duty, maybe carving the meat. Would you do the honours, Sue? Would you carve the meat? Here's the whiskey and here's the ice. Would you do the honours and give everybody a small glass? Or I went to a wedding and the Archbishop of Canterbury did the honours. He was the person who conducted the ceremony. He was the person who asked them if they did. Okay, so to do the honours, to serve as host or hostess, to perform a social act as the person in charge. So to do the honours. A well-known TV personality did the honours at the official opening of the show. So if someone does the honours at a social occasion or at a public event, they act as host or they perform some other official function. To serve as host or hostess. John, would you go to the front door and do the honours and greet people as they come in and tell them where to go? Or to do the honours, to propose a toast. It can cover many different things. It's performing the customary duties, serving the drinks, cutting the food, making introductions, casting a roast. It's about dealing with the polite ceremonial aspects of being a host, where honours, do the honours, refers to the courtesy or special privileges of the host. So, for example, I've got a cake and I give my friend a knife. Would you do the honours? Would you cut the cake for me? So it's serving guests, it's making introductions, it's proposing toasts, or at a ceremony, cutting a ribbon, or it's asking someone to take on a duty of hosting. So my dad always does the honours by carving the turkey at Christmas. The mayor did the honours at the opening ceremony and cut the ribbon. Could you do the honours and pour the wine? Okay, so it's about doing an official task, very often associated with the host or the hostess, and it's got this sense of courtesy or ceremony, a symbolic act, or introducing a guest speaker, or making an official announcement, or just pouring wine, serving tea at a dinner table. So the ambassador did the honours by introducing the guest speakers. The tea's ready. Shall I do the honours? Okay, so doing the honours, it's doing the polite things. Yeah, John, do me the honour. Do the honours and cut me another slice of pizza, will you? the king was supposed to cut the ribbon, but he can't make it. So we'll have to find someone else to do the honours. It's about doing an official task, an official duty. I think I would give this a 4 in formality. So use it in an informal situation best, a semi-formal situation. Semi-formal writing just about. So, to do the honours. Bye for now.